yes. You got it. Yeah. No. That's all you decide.
Get the fuck out the way!
No.
Jesus. Christ.
Benched! Yeah! Bounce. Yes! Josiah. Bang!
What?
What the fuck, bro?
What is that?
Slot.
Oh my gosh, Josiah! Bang!
Okay,
Boy.
Okay.
Well, that's just slotted and really just pinched me.
Okay. Okay.
That was not spoiling this.
I mean, wasn't planning on it, man. Jeez.
Yeah!
Holy, what the fuck? My fault for not being there. Oh, you know. See it.
Yo, look. Oh my gosh, I'm getting.
Oh, what is what?
Yo, Josiah. No.
God.
No!
Sorry.
Perfect setup.
What?
Wow!
No, it's not
You
all
were
your
just-
fault.
You were driving right under the ball and then you just dipped.
Oh!
Yeah,
Like what?
because you had a better. What was I going to do with it? Put it to the corner and bounce off the wall?
It doesn't matter. You were just driving right underneath the ball. How? And you're just
You
driving
haven't said
right
a
underneath the ball.
word to me all game.
Okay. It's all my fault, bro. Like it's literally just all my fault.
Nobody said you
Oh
can't.
my gosh. No! Oh my gosh. Like, sorry, bro. I didn't know. I didn't know you were like that, bro. Holy cow. I mean, just rocketed across the net, bro. Off the wall. Geometry. Ow! Oh my gosh.
I didn't say
Guys,
it.
Holy hurricane,
Holy
bro. I can't. It's like, ah!
Channel 6 reporting from live from Louisiana.
We have the crazy thorns out here. Oh shoot, I missed that. Ah! Wait, what? Oh.
What?
What? That's it or that.
It just do exactly what I was gonna do, bro. No pump.
Yeah.
And-
No! Yay!
What the?
Ooh. Oh! Oh shoot. Yo, what's up, bro? Like, oh my god.
like, holy fuck.
I mean, we just like did the Doc Hudson, bro. Like. Oh, I thought you were going for that.
Gavin, take your time.
Yo, I got-
What the fuck?
Yo, take your time, bro. Ooh. No, how did I not bump you?
Oh,
Oh.
fuck. Holy.
Wait, what? It's like,
We're all good. No.
no, just
Go, go, go.
he saved it.
No, no,
Wait,
no,
I
no,
thought
no,
you
no.
didn't save it, bro. I was like, what? No!
What the?
Oh shoot, I missed.
What the fuck?
No, 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 no. Yeah, that might have been the funniest thing all day, bro. Squishy save?
What the fuck? What the fuck? What?
Bro, how did we
How was that
save
shit not on our net?
Yo, we
Oh yeah, it's open.
I mean, how did we save that, bro? I mean, he just got like the triple tap of the century, bro.
All right.
Side? Save it!
Dumbass.
Yes!
Oh!
Whoa!
Ah! You moved!
Bang!
Oh my
Oh,
god!
shit!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh no!
Gavin, get back, Gavin.
Oh.
Where the fuck are you at?
Bro, you took the ball from me, bro. Look, you just you
I got hungry.
What?
No, I lagged.
Go.
What the fuck is that, Jersey?
That was me, bro. What are you talking about? No.
Oh my god, I just fucking peeked, bro. Holy
Oh. Fake. Oh.
shit. Oh. Go.
Where the fuck are you going?
I mean, I just don't know why I jumped off the wall, but it's fine.
Well, you can't do that shit if you tried that.
No, what?
I was letting it hit the ground, bro. It's awkward. I got it.
Top 10 things that never happen. What? Oh, yo, what a dodge. Yeah, it's slotted. Oh.
Pitch! Go. Yeah!
Go. Oh boy.
Beep, beep, beep.
I'm on you.
I got. Don't come up there.
Holy lag!
Hey, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Why am I lagging so bad?
Oh no.
What? Holy lag!
No way. No!
What is happening? I'm fucking lagging!
Where is that going?
In the net. Yeah.
Fuck you!
Don't talk about boomerangs like that.
Holy dodge, dip and die, bro! Holy shit! Fuck!
Hey, Gavin, that might have been the freest shot you ever had. I got.
I was too busy demoing Jersey, bro. No. Wait.
Oh
What?
fuck, no.
Oh my.
Holy! Oh my god.
I thought he just peeked, bro. I thought I saw the Jersey peak.
Keep it in, Gavin.
What do you mean keep it in, bro?
Save
Big
credit,
Chow?
bro. Holy shit!
I mean, we just like collided into each other, bro.
No fucking shit.
What the fuck, Noah?
You could
Bro,
do that
I
if
don't
you
know,
actually
bro.
tried.
But I hit the ball 500 times and it wouldn't come off the wall.
What a save!
I just had to take Jersey out of the play.
Yeah, just give Noah the ball.
It's fine, bro. Everything's fine. Oh, that was beautiful.
What?
That was actually beautiful.
Jersey, take it out the wall. Air dribble. Air dribble, Jersey.
Yo, what is Jersey?
Holy shit!
Oh, shit.
No. shoot. Oh my god, bro, we just all four, man.
Fuck! Oh,
No, 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 no.
oh that's over
No! Go, Josiah.
What? My car just goes back.
Oh! Oh!
I feel like a heat-seeking missile.
I'm dead. So.
No, no, I'm not gonna lie, that was actually
my-
kind of close.
Ready for this?
yeah, I don't know if I got save credit for
Alright,
it.
I'm on.
What
Holy
the
fuck!
fuck? Bro, just like, can you touch the fucking ball? I'm trying to like oh, now you fucking touch it? Jackass.
You just told him to.
Yeah, he looked, did tell me to, so I had to listen to commands.
Oh my god! Like just have my rank.
Holy bitch! Oh my god. I almost
I-
fucking
Yo,
scouted
Josiah,
crazy,
pass?
bro. Cuxer into a ceiling pinch.
Oh,
Oh, bruh.
holy shit. Why was no one there for that?
I don't know.
What? I just got like
God.
stopped in my tracks, bro.
Devil!
No! What was that touch?
I just, yeah.
You just
fuck,
like
bro.
swept him up his feet, bro.
What?
Damn, Noah.
Or you couldn't do that if you tried, bro.
God, let me clear the house for you.
What is
Nice
happening?
one, jackass.
Yo, like, great assist, bro.
Yo, Jersey just say actually Spidey sense my bump.
Yo, he's used to it, bro. I keep coming after him. I don't know. Why is it going so fast? Oh,
Pinch.
yo, Josiah, bro. What is happening?
What?
I mean, just hang up the cleats, bro. Man,
Oh
me
my
hang up the
God.
Devil
cleats.
show.
Oh!
I missed.
Ah,
Oh,
fuck.
good pass.
Oh!
Oh
they're fucking
shit!
What? Yo, you just like. Wait, what?
Holy
No
fuck.
way.